Hey everyone, I'm so excited. We are finally on our way to the big game. I've got my jersey on and I am ready. Let's go Cardinals!
Sun goes down on the Mississippi line, Gateway Arch is catching that shine. See a red and white flooding through the gate in the Lou. We don't back down or hesitate. Got the cold beer pouring in the bleachers packed.
He swings and drives it deep. He is round